Yo, we are real chopper. A whole heap of people will scam you now.
I wonder if it is Jenny calling again. Hello?
Yes, good evening to you, miss. We have an issue here with the account. It will need $200 to sort out.
Okay, well, let me get something to write all this down.
You're not gonna write down nothing.
In a time of technology, when scamming has risen above the law,
Man, how dare you take me for a scammer?
and the criminals are the least expected.
My name is Sergeant Dante Call. Go ahead, punk. Make my day.
I have an offer for you.
Hi, beautiful. Is everything okay here today?
I wonder if everything's okay with my car.
Are you okay, miss?
Okay, who?
Yes, you.
Me?
What?
Me?
What?
Car!
What car?
That girl, your head a squeeze her.
It has come to my attention that you have been abandoning your right uniform and wearing the Call Guy issued gear. The Call Guy is a special forces unit that is strategically orchestrated to combat the telecommunications of Jamaica against scamming, which you are not qualified for.
Yeah, they on the road, me a big Janak inna the zone. Bad boy, them scatter when me step. You don't know, but the real assignment a fi pretty. Mother, me a the call guy. That is it, not no prof. No matter, whoa, mother. Hey.
Are you calling from the bank?
Why pre me
Freeze!
you
This
need
is
a
the
personal
police!
escort. Me a the call guy.